Good evening, ma'am.
Hello
Good,
everyone, good evening.
good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good
Good
evening
evening,
all.
ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening,
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Please do send me your doubts if you have any from decimal set 2. We can do the exercise
No, ma'am.
together. Okay, Sanya?
Ma'am, are you changing classes every day? Glasses every day?
No, this one is different, yeah, but yep, a little bit depends on the day and the dress. Okay, we have got some doubts from Devashri, no doubts. Aditi, no doubts. Shrihan, number 9. Samriddhi, number 9. Deanshi, good evening. Bhumik, hello. Samriddhi, number 9. Samriddhi Srivastav. Arnav, number 9. What's wrong in number 9? Anirudh, no doubts. Okay, fine. No doubts from Bhumik also. Others, please let me know if you have not done it. I am completely fine, but you need to tell me before I ask you. Yash, no doubts. Okay, that's good. Then Samriddhi Srivastav of decimals. Yeah. Naman 1 and 5. 1, 5 and 9. Say Sanya.
Ma'am, last class I was absent, so which was the homework?
Homework was set
Good
2.
evening, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am,
Good
I'm
evening,
done with
Hanifa.
it.
Sadhna, no doubt. Sanika, camera not working, mic not working. No doubts. Okay, done. There are more people entering the class right now. Samriddhi Singh, please say. Janvi, no doubts. Some days, Janvi.
Ma'am?
Say Samriddhi.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good
Ma'am, I
evening.
couldn't do
Madison.
my homework because I was out all of the weekend.
Okay. Janshi, no problem. All right. One more hands raised? No. Then Hanifa, no doubts. Good evening, Nanika. All right. Then we'll start. I'll share my screen. Where is Olympiad success? It's not visible to me. Wait. Say Tanisha.
Ma'am, can I keep my camera off because I am taking my dinner?
Okay. That there's something wrong with the website. Give me 1 minute. I'm re-logging in. It showed me an error. Yeah, Jia, say.
You didn't rename yourself.
Oh yeah, I will do that. I'm collecting the doubts. Then once I start discussing, I'll do that. Manasvi number 7 also. Okay, Advika, good evening.
Ma'am, can I keep my camera off since I'm eating?
Sure.
Thank
Done. 1579. I've received these many. Okay, and guys, please stop using the reactions tab now. I know there are new buttons available of T cross, next, okay, be right back. It's all good and fine, but if you click on be right back, your camera will be off and you will also get muted. Anyways, you're muted, so that's not a problem. But yeah, still, stop exploring it. Do it later. Path 1 and 10. Okay, done. This is okay. Done. I've got all the doubts. Now we're going to discuss them quickly. Manvik, you are Trisha, right? Do you have a doubt? If not, then tell me. If yes, then also tell me so that I can solve it. Say, Jia.
Will we start a new chapter today?
No. We will continue with decimals only. We'll do the doubts and then we'll continue doing some more questions so that you're confident. And then for today's homework, you will be getting a decimals test to do. Okay? Fine. All right, everyone, I'm starting. Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. So, question number 1. Fine. Be very active. Please listen to me carefully. I might call anyone randomly, even if you have not done the homework, even if you have done the homework, doesn't matter, right? So be careful, listen to me. Listening is enough. Okay. So we will be starting off with the first question. The first question is a question of multiplication, as you all see. Manvik has written question number 1 is a doubt. Okay, done. So Yash, we'll start with you. So there are two operations to be done here. First is an addition and second is a multiplication.
Multiplication.
Correct. 1 second. Yes, Reyanshi.
Ma'am, last class I was absent, so I don't know the methods you did in that class.
You have not checked the recording also?
No, ma'am.
Then you will have to catch up from here. Okay.
Yes.
And then watch the recording after today's class. So fine, help me add up the numbers. Thank you, Devashri, for sending it in the chat box. Yash, can you add up this 7 plus 2?
7 plus 2 is 8. 9,
Eight.
9.
0 plus 7?
7.
And 10 plus, oh, sorry, 4 plus 6. I gave the answer.
10.
10.79. Thank you, Yash. Then we are planning to multiply 10.79 with 7.04. So such a big number. All of them have so many digits after the decimal. So that means my final answer should have 2 plus 2, 4 digits after the decimal. Okay. Anyways, we cannot finalize any answer now. So we will assume. Let's go by the assumption method, everyone. Okay, let's go by the assumption method. What we learned in the last class. We'll assume that there are no decimals and I'll take this number as 1079 instead of 10.79. And I'll take this number as 704 instead of 7.04. And I'll multiply it. Okay. So Bhumik, are you there? Bhumik, unmute. Looks like Bhumik is not there. So Jia, will start with you. 9 times 4?
9 times 4 is 36.
6 here, 3 here. 7 times 4?
7 times 4 is 28.
28 plus 3?
31.
1 here, 3 here. Times 0 is 0. 0 plus 3, 3. 4 times 1 is
4.
4. Done. We'll put a cross. Now, all of these are zeros. Okay. So there is like 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros we are supposed to write here without any calculation. Put another cross and then start with 9 times 7. So let's go with Shrihan. Shrihan, 9 times 7?
I'm 63.
3 here, 6 here. 7 times 7? Shrihan, you only. Yeah.
Ma'am, 49.
49 plus 6?
Ma'am, 52.
Hey, 49 plus 6. Count it properly.
55.
55. 5 here. Sanya, continue. 7 times 0?
0, ma'am.
And 0 plus 5?
5.
7 times 1?
7 only, ma'am.
Done. Thank you. Devashri, add it up for me. 6 with nothing is 6. 1 with nothing is 1. And then 3
3
plus
plus
3?
4
6.
plus
5 plus
4.
4? 9. 5 plus
5.
0? And then a 7. So therefore, I get my answer as this. How? Because my final answer should have 2 and 2. 4 digits after the decimal. 2 from here and 2 from here. So 75.9616 is my answer. Option C. Any doubts, anyone? You can ask. Question number 1. No doubts. Very good. Question number 5, we'll start. Sanika, what's that? Yes, Manvik, say.
Ma'am, wonder why first I wasn't able to understand, like just not solve it. But when you told me that there should be like a 4 digits, there should be 4 digits after which the decimal should be put, I immediately got to know the answer. But how?
4 digits after that, what did you say?
Ma'am, when you said that the answer, the decimal should be after 4 digits, whatever, I immediately got to know the answer and where my mistake is.
Okay, fine. All right then. Next is question number 5. Bhumik, you're there? I called you that time. You were not in the meeting.
Ma'am, this phone charges was
No
0%.
problem. Bhumik, help me in this question. How would you get the answer of the missing number?
Which one? Oh, that
Number
one.
5.
That one is very easy.
Give the answer fast.
1 second.
1 second is done.
I know I'm taking my book. Well,
People always take this question like this, that a missing number minus 2 is equals to 3. So what will be the missing number? We will shift the 2 to the other side and it will become a plus 2. So that means 5 is the missing number, such that 5 minus 2 is 3. So here also we are doing some
answer.
shifting. Say, Bhumik.
I want to say answer.
Yeah, you made me wait so much. I started answering. Say the answer.
That 5.21 plus 1.49 is equals to 670. The correct answer is 6.7.
Thank you. The 0 after
B1.
decimal doesn't matter. So therefore our answer will be 6.7. Thank you, Bhumik. Question number 5, clear?
Anytime.
Question number 5, clear? Any doubts, anyone? Okay, no doubts. All right. Manasvi, clear? Okay. Samriddhi Srivastav, thank you for the detailed answers. Then thanks everyone. All right then, let's go. Next question number is wait, where's the chat? Main chat. Question 7. Number 7. Okay, this is interesting. We will do this with Aditi. Aditi, 0.00300 minus 0.00035. From where should I start borrowing? Tell me, Aditi.
Ma'am, you should borrow from the 10,000 place. So 0 minus.
You mean this, right?
No, ma'am, I mean from the last.
Here.
No, ma'am, like from the other side.
Borrow. If you directly get this as 10, how would you get this as 10? You have to start from somewhere, right? So that's my question. Where are you supposed to start from?
Oh, from 3.
3. So we'll cut 3, make it 2, make it 10, then cut it, make it 9, make it 10. Okay, let's go, Aditi. 10 minus 5?
5.
9 minus 3?
6.
2 minus 0?
8. Sorry, 2.
8. Okay. So that's our final answer. 2 zeros and then 265. That's option B. Any doubts, anyone? Question number 7. Naman, done? Okay, others, no doubt? Okay, cool then. Thank you. Rianshi, ready? Question number 9 is a very popular doubt. Your doubt also, Rianshi? Number 9?
Ma'am, I didn't did the test because I was absent in the last.
Oh, okay, you are not there. Right. So we'll come back to you later. Naman, how to do this?
Ma'am, in multiplication, we should put the zeros in right. So, it will.
Okay, tell me one thing. If this is A and this is B, Naman, B is bigger or B is smaller, Naman?
Ma'am, B is bigger.
Samriddhi Srivastav, is B bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
Anirudh, is B bigger or smaller compared to A?
Ma'am, bigger.
Very good. Mishika, is B bigger or smaller?
Ma'am, smaller.
Can you tell me the decimal form of decimal fraction of 0.8?
Ma'am,
Decimal.
ma'am, 8 by 10.
Thank you. And decimal fraction of 0.08, Mishika?
Ma'am, 8 by 1000.
3 zeros after the decimal, so 3 zeros after 1. Now, everyone who gave me the answer as B is the bigger fraction, have a look in the decimal conversion. You are getting 8 parts out of only 10 parts. versus you are getting 8 parts out of 1,000 equal sized parts. Which one is bigger? Of course, this is bigger. You need to remember the place value system of decimals, everyone. This is the 10th place. That means the number divided by 10 equal parts. Whereas this is the 1000th place. That means the number divided by 1000 parts. So obviously that is getting smaller. How will you make the number smaller when you multiply with another decimal of that form? So Mishika, how to do this question? Mishika.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, actually I had a doubt also, but I want to explain. So I guess we should divide it. We should divide both the numbers.
Correct. You should divide both the numbers. There are two ways of doing it. First, we'll do it by the division method, and second, we will see the shortcut method. So for division, you all know that if the question is, okay, I'm giving you an example. See this, everyone. For example, I'm giving you a whole number example. 20 divided by 4 is equals to 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. Let's say from here, I suddenly, oh sorry, divided, why did I write that? My bad. I am writing a new example. 4 into 5 is equals to 20. Okay. So imagine I say that the question is, what number multiplied with 5 gives you 20? So how would you find out this number? You will shift the multiplication to the other side and the question mark will become 20 by 5. So that the answer becomes 4, right? Example is clear? Why did I show you this example? Because your real question is similar to this. What is your real question? Your real question is, what number multiplied with 0.8 is equals to 0.008? So just like I divided 20 by 5, I'm planning to divide 0.08 by 0.8. You remember that method of mission whole number last class? Mishika, your turn is done now. Do you remember the thing which I taught you? Mission whole number. We are supposed to convert the denominator into a whole number. So Manasvi, what should I multiply with 0.8 to make it 8? I just want to make it 8. Whole number 8. 10. Very good. If I do the same operation at the top, I would get 0.08 divided by 8. Yes or no, everyone? Yes. If you want to multiply it with 100 and make the numerator also whole number, then multiply with 100, multiply with 100. You get 8 by 800. What is 8 by 800? 1 by 100. And what is 1 by 100 written as in decimals? 0.01. 2 digits after the decimal and 2 digits after the 0. Say, Mishika.
Ma'am, but I couldn't understand that if I imagine 20 in the place of 0.008 and 5 at the place of 0.8, then I'm dividing
20 by 5.
20 by 5. Then, in this case, in the 9th question, 0.008 is smaller than 0.8. So how can...
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. If you divide a smaller number by a bigger number, you get decimal answer. I mean, smaller answer. Like you are getting a smaller answer. 0.01 is smaller than 0.8.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
it's okay.
Ma'am,
Doesn't matter.
this way can we get an answer, right?
Say, Jia.
Ma'am, but you multiplied 8 with 100. Why didn't you get 800 by 800?
This numerator is a 0, 0. So when I
the
multiply this with
denominator.
100, it becomes 8.
But the denominator also you did multiplied it, right?
Equivalent fraction.
Yeah, so 800 by 800 it should be, right?
No, this is not 800. This is only 8. This is 0.08. So when you multiply it with 100, you're shifting the decimal to 2 places.
Yeah, I got it till there. Then how did you get by 1 by 100?
I divided both by 8. 8 by 8 is 1 and 800 divided by 8 is 100, like that.
Okay.
Okay. Riyansh, say, after a long time raising hand and asking questions, your device is working. Ask.
Ma'am, can you please explain me second number? I was not there.
Second question.
Yes.
I'll go back. Wait, you have not even written it in the chat box, Riyansh. Now you have to wait till the end. We'll finish 3 more questions, then go back to question number 2.
Yes.
Okay. Arnab, say.
Ma'am, after for example, I didn't understand.
In the for example, I wanted to show you how when a number is missing, you divide the remaining number to get the missing number. That was the example. So here
Ma'am,
for
after
us,
that.
yeah. So here we are dividing this number by this number. Okay. Now, as far as the rules we discussed last class, that when the denominator has a decimal place, Arnav, then we try to get rid of the decimal place in the denominator. We want to convert it into whole number. So that's why we multiplied it with a 10. We made it 8. Then we again multiplied it with 100 so that the numerator also becomes 100. I mean, whole number. And that's how we got an 8 in the numerator and an 800 in the denominator. When I reduced it by 8, when I divided it by 8, I got 1 by 100. And 1 by 100 is 0.01 in decimals.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Say, Sadhna.
Ma'am, I found it this way, ma'am. Because there is 3 digits before the point. So
Yeah, that's the shortcut.
to,
Yes. Correct.
ma'am,
So
it's
what Sadhna is trying to tell everyone is the shortcut which we discussed, that the answer has 3 digits after the decimal and one of the number has 1 digit after the decimal. That means your missing number should have 2 digits after the decimal. This has 2 digits, this has 1, this has 3, and this also has 2 digits. So Sadhna, the confusion is this. If you don't get confused with 11, then this is the right answer. Okay? All right. Say, Hanifa.
Ma'am, I did the same method as Sadhna.
Good. That's right. Say, Manvik.
Ma'am, but if we are using this shortcut method, how can we just get to know that there
Yeah.
will
That
be
is
2 zeros in the
11
next
times 8 will have 2 8s in the answer. That's how you will know. 11 times 0, 8 or 8 will have 2 8s in the answer, whether 0.88 or 0.88, anything like that. But then it will have 2 8s. That's how.
And ma'am, what if there is 0.88
Very
and
close options.
1
I
and
know. If they give
0.08?
very close options, then you have to divide. That's why I spend so much time explaining the division method. That is the best method. That is safest. Always works. Say, Manasvi.
Ma'am, how did we get like 2? We have to minus 3, 3 minus 1 in the shortcut.
I didn't get you. Say that again.
In the shortcut method, as Sadhna said that we have to minus 3 minus 1. 3 minus
Correct. Yes, you can do that.
in multiply.
Yes, you will add in multiplication, Manasvi. Say, Mishika.
Ma'am, so in any case, we have to divide them because we will then be confused in option A and option D.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Let's go to the next question. After number 9, where is the main chat? Okay, number 10 is the last question. Then we'll do question number 2 also. So let's go with, oh my God, there are 2 Manviks? No, that's someone else. Manvik, guys, you both are having almost the same hairstyle and same specs and almost the same size of face. Looking like a clone. Okay, Anirudh, can you help me in the 10th one? Only for the addition part.
Yes, ma'am. In this one, we have to do 17.
Hey, you got muted, Anirudh. 9 plus 1?
Sorry. In this one, we have to do 17.709 plus 9.001 minus 10.02.
That's okay. I just need your help in addition. 9 plus 1 is?
9 plus 1 is 10, and then 1 goes up. 0 plus 0 is 0, and then we have to get that 1, and then 7 plus 0 is 7. Ma'am, then 7 plus 9 is 16. 6 down, 1 up, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. 26.710.
Thank you. That's the right answer. Next, I'll be moving to Ibrahim. Ibrahim, help me subtract.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I do padding? Doesn't really matter. 0, 0 at the end.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, first you can carry on 7. It will become 6 and it will become 10. Okay, yeah, 11.
11.
Yeah.
11
9,
minus 2, 9.
6, 6.61. Yeah.
So 16.69 is the final answer. Thank you, Ibrahim. Any doubts, anyone? Number 10. Naman is like, Naman, this will pain the night. Okay, fine. 16.69 is okay. No doubts. Parth Sharma, help us in question number 2. Riyansh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, that's an easy question, Riyansh. Have a look. Parth, go ahead. What is the maximum number of decimals
The
after?
maximum number of decimals after the decimal is 3, which is 0.14. Then we will write 26.014. Then we will write 26.000. Then 12.050.
Thank you. Look at this, Riyansh. In the case of like decimals, the number of digits after the decimal should be same. So you need to find out what is the maximum number of digits after the decimal. If you get that, then all the answer options should have 3 digits after the decimal. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Riyansh, thank you. Arnav, say.
Ma'am, can we add number 444?
No. That sounded like a cow. Anyways, so we are going to have a quick revision on decimals, like a little bit more practice on decimals. And then there are 2 things I'm planning to do. Depends on how your practice goes. Okay. So I'll be giving you some questions. Give me just 1 quick minute. I'll just get some questions for you. 1 minute. I had some questions in this class. Yes. Who is this?
Ma'am,
Yes. Say Manvik.
ma'am, I am like still not pretty much free in division. Like I still get problems with it.
Can you be a bit louder?
Ma'am, I like today when I tried, and I was like in the class still getting problems in it.
In joining the class.
Ma'am, I am getting problems in division. I am not able to solve it easily in the class even.
Division of decimals. Yes. Okay, don't worry. That's why we are practicing it today. Okay. All right, everyone. Any questions? Anyone? Before we start, I'm going to show you a question now. How we'll convert a fraction. That's what we were supposed to do in the coming cases. Converting fractions into decimals, but in a different way. So no doubts, right? Okay. Let me go and share my screen. Here's the first question, everyone. 1/5 can be expressed as which of the following decimals? Choose your answer from the options. I have given you the options to make it a bit easier for you. Wow. Why are you people giving me wrong answers? Divide 1 by 5 or use the like fractions. You have two methods of doing this, everyone. Method number 1 can be where you divide 1 by 5. And method number 2 can be where you multiply 5 with something so that it becomes a power of 10. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. You can use any of the two methods. Whatever you like. We'll discuss both the methods. Vedant, which method do you want to do? Which method are you doing?
Ma'am, 1 by 5.
So what number should I multiply with 5?
Ma'am, not that one. The division method I'm telling. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, that one.
then tell me what to do here. 1 is smaller than 5. So how to make it bigger? How to get an extra 0? Should I
Ma'am,
put-
just do 5 zeros are 0.
Exactly. We'll use an extra digit. We'll use a dot. Dot means decimal. And when we use this dot, we get an extra 0. Now, is 10 divisible by 5? Vedant?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
How
So
much?
now 5 twos are 10. 10 minus 10 0. So the answer is D, 0.2.
0.2. One method done. Now I'll go to Nanika. Nanika, you use the division method or you use this equivalent fraction method?
Well, ma'am, I use the equivalent fraction method. Like when we multiply 5 and that's like I got 0.2. So I used the
Equivalent fraction method.
yes.
Okay. So 5 times 2, when Nanika multiplied 5 times 2, she got a 10 in the denominator. And for keeping the fraction same, that is the rule of equivalent fraction, she multiplied the numerator also with 2. So she got 2 by 10. Now she knows 2 by 10 is equals to 0.2. So this is the other method of getting the answer as 0.2. Ask me if you have a doubt. Vivek, any doubts? Okay. Anyone? Naman, ask.
Ma'am, why did we
Namin,
multiply with 2?
because I want to make it a power of 10. Any power of 10 will work. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that.
Okay, ma'am.
It's not possible in all the numbers. If the denominator was 3, then you couldn't have done that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Mishika.
Ma'am, if the answer would be 0.02, then which number can be expressed in the decimal as? Like dash can be expressed in decimal.
1 by 50. 1 by 50. One more 0 in the denominator. 1
And
by 50.
Then one more 0 will be added to the
answer.
decimal place.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. This question is okay for everyone? Jia understood? Rianshi understood? Okay. One more question, then we go for a break. Okay. One more. Subtraction. Be careful. Okay. Padding. Use padding. Don't forget padding, because if you forget padding, you will surely get it wrong. Go. Question number 2. Janvi, this is going to come to you. So be careful. Parth, Padwal, Janvi are on the radar. Say, Advika.
Ma'am, is it like over one? That question one is that question.
No, it's not question number 1. That's why I wrote Q2. It's 1.004. So the number is 1.004.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Mishika.
Ma'am, can you tell the ranks?
No, Mishika, please, I request you, don't make me do this. Earlier, it was very easy in the normal chat. Now Zoom has made it worse for me. Everyone's time is matching and I cannot figure out who has sent the answer first.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
Thank you. Advika, your hand is still raised. You have a doubt?
No, forgot to unraise it.
Okay, okay. Janvi, are we ready? Say Manvik.
Ma'am, why is Zoom giving so many new features? First chat, now in the reaction box, there are options like for
Zoom
B,
has
like
got mad.
bank.
Zoom is
and
working in the
release.
wrong direction. Zoom employees are showing that they are working day and night really hard, but for nothing. This was something we never wanted, but they are working hard on it, huh? Okay, fine. Yes. So let's go. Janvi, ready?
I have absolutely no clue how to do this. I get different answers every time. So I have really big doubt
No
in this.
raising hands for answering. Okay. The next
Excuse
one,
me, ma'am.
Adya.
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your hand and speak, Adya. If there's an emergency, tell.
Ma'am,
Don't say
you,
the answer.
ma'am, you gave me the option to unmute.
By mistake, I clicked on you.
For
I was calling someone else. Sorry. Say Rianshi.
Ma'am, can I get a chance in this question, please?
Wait. I took one more person's name. Who was that? After
Parth.
Ma'am,
Parth Padwal. Yes. If Parth does not answer, then I'll come to you, Rianshi. Say
ma'am, the
Parth.
answer is C. 0.604.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this guy got it right. So tell me the padding, Parth.
Ma'am,
2 zeros after 4. Is that right?
no, yes.
Yes. Now minus it. Tell me, how did you subtract it?
Ma'am, 4 as it is 0, 0, 0, 0 and borrow from 1 and 6.
The moment you pad it perfectly, thank you, Parth. The moment you pad it perfectly, you know that the last digit is going to be a 4. So
Yeah.
therefore, your answer is supposed to be option C. Oh my God, Vedant. Vedant, you were about to be stamped. Say, what happened?
Ma'am, I got it wrong because instead of putting 0.400, I accidentally kept 0.004. I kept two
I
zeros
told you.
before 4 instead of option.
I know this is a common area of mistake. No problem. Good. Say, Mishika.
Ma'am, what is this method called when we add the zeros?
Padding, padding, padding.
And
Adding extra zeros at the end does not change the value of the number.
and when we do not apply zeros, then what is the method called?
No, there is no name to that. It's just like when you're comfortable, you have done a lot of questions, then you might not need padding at all. You can do it in your head. So that's why you will leave the spaces empty. That method is not called anything. normal method.
Can we write 0.4 under the 004?
0. Yes, this thing should always be aligned, everyone. No matter what happens on this earth, the decimal and the decimal should be in a same line.
Ma'am, but in the addition and subtraction only. Because in multiplication and division, we can
It
write.
doesn't matter. Yes.
Yes.
Padding is just like LCM. Like LCM of denominators in fractions. Say Sadhna.
Ma'am, will you teach us that like when it's not divisible?
When what is not divisible?
Like 25 divided by like 25 points.
3. Yes. Let's come back from the break and do this. 25.2, or let's make it easy. First 25 divided by 3. And the next number can be, let's take any random number. 10.8 divided by something by which it is not divisible. 5. Okay. We'll do these 2 questions after we come back from the break. Hard ones. Okay. Say Bhumik.
Ma'am, give us little bit more question.
Yeah, I will give you. See, I've given you 2 break time questions. Very hard ones. You do it yourself. Then we'll come back.
Super easy.
I'll see
It
the
is
answer
super
in the
easy.
chat. Where is the answer? You are just talking. I don't see your answer in the chat. Send it first. Say Jia.
Thank you.
I'm noting the time. Your time starts now. Bhumik. Say Jian. Sorry, by mistake I unmuted you.
Ma'am,
Jia.
will we have a game?
Probably. I think we can have one game today. Sadhna, say.
Can we have the reminder in the first question or no?
Reminder. Yeah. Both the questions you will have remainder. Then only you will get decimal answers. No,
No,
Sadhna?
ma'am, yes, ma'am. So, for the first question, should we write like this question equals to this and a reminder
In
equals to that?
decimals. No, right in decimals. That is the tricky part. That's the hard part. Otherwise, your answer will look like a fractional answer. Don't write like that. Remember, this is a non-terminating decimal. So your decimals are not going to end. You will have to stop after 1 or 2 decimals yourself. Otherwise, the question will never end. Okay. This is not a part of your syllabus, but just because you asked it, I'll show you. Okay. Say, Ryanshi.
Ma'am, we have to just do it as a division question, right? Then we have to convert it
Yes.
in decimal.
Convert in decimals. Both the answers in decimals, please. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, you told these are hard ones, right?
Yeah.
But these are actually easy for me.
I'll see the answer in the chat box. Both the
Okay.
answers should be in
But
decimals.
the question log itself for question 3. Anyway, I'm going to redo it. The question 3 it says, because earlier it was 25
Okay,
by 2,
relax.
but it was by
See you
3
in 5
actually.
minutes. Welcome back. Okay, Nanika, I cannot fast forward this break. Nanika has sent a message of move fast. Okay, fine. So, all of you, tough time ahead. I have got some answers in the chat box, but you people will match it with my answers on the screen. So first I take a 25 here. I take a 3. Okay. Sadhna, what will be the first quotient I can put here? 25 by 3. I mean, if I divide 25 by 3.
Ma'am, 25 by 3. Ma'am, you will get 8.
I am now left with the remainder 1. Whenever the remainder is less than the divisor, 3 in this case, of course, we cannot proceed further until and unless I make the remainder bigger. So in order to make the remainder bigger, we'll use a decimal point, right? So Samriddhi, Shivastav, if I use a dot here, what can I add after 1?
0.
Thank you. And now compare 3 with 10. So what should I multiply with 3 to make it close to 10? Samriddhi, you can answer.
3.
That's right. 3 into 3, 9. Now again, we are left in a same situation where we were left earlier. Remainder is 1, but can our answer have multiple dots? That is multiple decimals? No. So it's like a one-time pass. When we play, we purchase something for one time, right? One-time pass. We play it and we go inside it. Similarly, this decimal point is a one-time pass. Adya, now, once I have used the decimal, I can add as many zeros in the bottom as I want, like one after the other. So here I'll add another 0 by itself. Now, what will be the scenario, Adya? Again, 3 times what is closer to 10?
Ma'am, it's 3 times 3 is 9, so it's closer to 10.
And the process goes on and on and on. So basically, have you seen those numbers when you divide it in the calculator? Do you get 8.33333333333 and the 3 never stops? So some people write it like this. They write a 3 and they write a dot over it, which shows that it is repeating. Some people write a bar over it. That also shows that 3 keeps on repeating. And some people also round it. When you round it up, you can write it as 8.34 also. All the 3 answers are considered correct. Okay? Say Bhumik. Be fast, Bhumik. You muted yourself, Bhumik. I can't hear you.
Ma'am, I want to answer 4th one.
No, no, no. I have already given you a chance. Manvik, say.
Ma'am, I still didn't understand it.
Which part? Manvik, which part?
Ma'am, like this 8.3 above that bar round up and like this is just not divisible. There is 1 remaining, so like it's divisible. I didn't
The
understand it.
digits keep repeating. That's why we are rounding up to 3, 4. Or else we can write a dash because a dash shows that the last digit keeps on repeating. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. You continue doing this, you will still keep getting 10, then 3 times 3, 9, then again a remainder 1. So this process will repeat. That's why we use a bar. Is that okay? Yeah. Janvi?
Ma'am, I remember when I was doing this question, when I realized that it will keep on repeating, my reaction was very priceless.
Say, Jia. We'll learn this in higher grades, everyone. Technically, this is a grade 7 thing. I mean, terminating, non-terminating decimals will be taught to you in grade 7. That how would you recognize that a fraction is a non-terminating decimal? How would you recognize that it is a terminating decimal, that it will stop? That will be taught to you in 2 grades. So don't worry. Say, Jia.
Ma'am, I did not understand the after you did this 8.3333 whatever this thing is,
Yeah.
and after that I didn't understand that rounding up one.
You didn't understand the rounding. So that is where you see that because 3 keeps on repeating, right? So you can round up and write it as 3, 4. That is also accepted as an answer. Okay, your calculator will also say that if you divide 25 by 3, it will show you a lot of 3s and then at the end it will show you a 4. So that is rounding up. Otherwise, you can also put a dash like this or a dot like this, which would show that others, like this is a mathematical way of representing the answer. This dot or the dash will show it to others that, see, this number is keeping on repeating and repeating.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Say, Arnav.
I didn't understand bar.
Bar and thing are the same thing. It's a mathematical notation which is used to show that a number is constantly repeating and
So
not
ma'am, we have
stopping.
to push that dash.
Yes, put dash. Say, Sadhna.
Ma'am, so like ma'am, suppose it was 5, like, so for rounding up we would do it like 8.56.
The next number, next higher number. Say, Aditi.
Okay.
Thank you,
Ma'am, I
Sadhna.
wrote it like this, like 8.33 and some dots after it. So does that count?
That's okay. Okay, everyone, this fourth question, I'm doing it myself. Okay, because then again, I will explain it. Someone else will explain it, then I'll have to repeat it. So I'll not do that. Sorry. Say, Manvik, doubt.
Ma'am, does it say noted out? I'm just requesting for a like a chance. I want to
Can I
request
do
for
what?
Ma'am, I want to request for a chance. I want to answer this question. I solved it already.
Manvik, I'm so sorry I cannot give you this chance because see, I will give you for the other question. This is anyways a hard question for some of them. Okay. So you will explain, then I have to explain it again. So this will take time. That's why I would not be able to give you a chance right now. I'll give you for the other questions. If not today, then definitely we have a chance tomorrow. So don't worry about it. Don't raise hand for answering question, people. Say Parth.
Ma'am, you have given that we can answer it at 8.3 and a dot on it, 8.3 and a dash and 8.34. So we have to
Yeah,
write
both.
8.3 with a dot or dash, or the answer is 8.34.
Correct. Three
And
of
which one
them.
is the
All
answer?
three. All three. All three.
All three.
Yes, all three. All three ways are possible.
Okay.
Okay. Fine now. Two ways of doing this. Way number one is the easiest. 10.8 divided by 5 into 2 into 2. If you do this, then the denominator becomes 10. So 108's double is going to be 16, 1, 1 and 2. 216, that is 21.6 divided by 10. Now, whenever we have a number divided by 10 and the number already has a decimal, then Sadhna, what do? We shift it one place on the left, right? So Hanifa, can you tell me the final answer for this question? 21.6 divided by 10?
Ma'am, it'll be. Wait just a second.
No problem. You can take time if you want. I mean, you can send me the answer in the chat box. That's okay. Samriddhi Singh, have you solved this?
No, ma'am. I was gone for the break.
What do you mean you were gone for the break?
Ma'am, I went
After
to
coming back from the break also, it's almost 10 minutes. The break supposedly ended around 10:45 or something, 47. That's not an excuse. Anyway, don't raise hand for answering question. If you have a doubt, ask. Manasvi, doubt? People, those who have got at least one chance also don't raise hand. Say Manasvi. Can't hear you.
Start again.
Ma'am, can you explain this part again?
I can't hear you. Can you say that loudly?
Ma'am, can you explain this part again?
I'm no, yeah, wait, I'm not doing it. I have not completed. That's the problem. I don't ask questions to people in the middle because people don't, others
Ma'am,
don't
I
understand.
I got power
Ah,
cut, so
Manasvi, it's okay. I'm repeating it. So look, I multiplied the denominator with a 2 because this is another method, you remember, where we can make the denominator 10 and any power of 10 and get the answer faster. So since I multiplied the denominator with 2, so as per the laws of equivalent fraction, we can again multiply this numerator also with 2. How would we multiply it? 108 times 2 is 216. So 10.8, 1 decimal will also have my answer with 1 decimal, which is 21.6. Now when I divide 21.6 by 10, Manvik, what will I get?
Ma'am,
Manvik,
what can you say again? I actually forgot the question.
I wanted to divide 21.6 by 10 and tell me what is the answer.
Ma'am, it will be 2.16.
2.16 is wrong. 2.16. Do not call the number after the decimal as 16 because that's not the place value system.
Ma'am,
2.16. Everyone is okay with 2.16 in this method? Now I'll show you the division method. Okay, division method needs a new color. So let's use purple. Look at this. First, I'll divide 108 by 5. That means I'll assume that there is no decimal currently in my numerator and I'll divide it. So when I divide it, Advika, can you tell me what should I keep first?
Ma'am, you should keep 10.
How do I keep 10 first?
Ma'am, so first you write 0 and then
No.
2 and then write 10 at the bottom and subtract.
No. At the top, we don't write 0. Arnav, what do we write at the top?
Ma'am, we have to divide it. So 2, 4. Answer will be 2, 4.
2 and 4. Okay, 4 should not come. First, let's start with a 2. So 5 times 2 is gonna give me a 10 and a 0 here. The 8 will come down and I'll get a 8 here. Tanisha, can you continue from here? 5 times what is close to 8?
Ma'am, 1.
1. So I'll get a 5 here and I'll subtract a 3. Now from here starts the decimal game. 3 is less than 5. Correct, everyone? Vivek, what should I do now? 3 is less than 5. So what should I do to make the 3 bigger? What should I add? Put.
Ma'am, 7.
No. What should I put here in the whole number? This part in the quotient.
Ma'am, 0, 0, 0.
0 will come here. But how will the 0 come here?
Ma'am, it will be 0.6.
No. Okay. Decimal. Sanika is not able to unmute. Shriyan has got a chance. Shriyansh, what should I put here after 21 so that I can make a 0 here at the bottom?
Point.
Very good. I'll add a new decimal point here and my 33 will become a 30. Now, let's do the next part. So, 5 times what is 30, Manasvi?
Ma'am, 6.
Correct. So, ultimately, my answer comes out as 21.6. But wait, the original question was not 108. What was the original question, Parth Sharma?
What was the original question?
108 or something else?
And 10.8.
10.8. So when the original question was 10.8, that is 1 digit after the decimal, that means the answer should be divided by 10. Yes or no? Yes. If I divide the answer by 10, again the same situation. I'll have to shift the decimal place one step back, and that's how my answer will be 2.16. Are both the methods clear? Yes. Okay. Fine then, everyone. In that case, I'm going to give you a qualifying question. If you people give me the right answer, then we'll have a match immediately. Is that okay? All right. Let me lower my hand. Let me get a good question for you. Good one. Not a hard one, but a good one. Do you know that you will be doing geometry after this probably? Yeah, after fractions. Measurement. Sorry, you will be doing measurement, not geometry. Or measurement you have done. Sorry,
Yes,
geometry only then.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. Okay, don't raise hand. Don't speak. Don't speak. I got it. I am not deaf. No raising hand, Mishika. You will say the same thing, please. Okay. Here's the question, but I need the correct answer, okay? It's very easy. I am deliberately giving an easy question, so please give me the right answer. Here you go. It's a multiplication of decimal multiplication question. Do it nicely. And meanwhile, I'll go and quickly get your game ready. Last class, did we play knockout in Gimkit? Have we played knockout?
Yes.
No.
Played it in reasoning, right?
Advika, don't confuse others. You are in 2 of my classes.
We
Okay.
played in reasoning, right?
Yes, Nanika. We have not played in the math batch because I don't remember a big batch doing that.
Mom, we played in reasoning only.
Yeah,
And Matt,
Shrimanti.
I do not remember how to play that game. I was absent yesterday.
I can tell you now. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Nothing. It's a shooting game, basically, everyone, where you have to answer questions to get energy. Why do you need energy? You would need energy so that you can run around here and there and find people to shoot you. Okay?
But Matt, how
And for
it's too hard to play. Like it's so hard to shoot.
on iPad.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's why. You have to touch the pad and do it multiple times.
But I can't seem to find the answer the questions option. And when I found it, you left the game.
Oh my God. Say, Advika.
Ma'am, on iPad is easier. You can move around and it's small also and you can carry it anywhere. So it's easier.
That's also true. Say, Bhumik.
No, I want to play Free Fire. In blue
Free
plate.
Fire.
Yes.
Are you crazy, Bhumik? Part say. First, you come with a laptop and do the class properly. You're doing it with a mobile phone. Okay, 0.09 into 10,000. Is there anyone who has not got a single chance also in today's class for answering a question? Not a single chance. All of you have got a chance today. Wow, perfect. Advika, you have got it.
Miss, I didn't.
I called you.
Miss, for what?
I called you for a question, I remember. Maybe you just helped in a small part. That has recently happened, Advika. No, everyone is not getting a full question to answer, of course. Anyways, you want to do this?
Okay, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, the answer is 900.
900 is the right answer. Everyone pay attention. Two digits after the decimal. So 2 zeros gone. Okay. And now your answer is like 0.09 into 100 itself gives you a 9. Now after that, whatever you multiply will come after 9. So the 2 zeros which are left over are going to be attached at the tail of 9. And that tail of 9 is going to make it 900. Any questions? Any doubts? No questions, no doubts? Okay, pretty good. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, I didn't listen to the entire part.
I didn't what?
Ma'am, I didn't understand a single thing in the entire part. First,
So
why
when you
did
are
we
multiplying with a 10, what happens, Manvik? Multiplication.
Ma'am, it's like, why did the zeros get all?
Forget about that, Manvik. Whatever the question is being asked, answer that. What did I ask you? I asked you, tell me what happens when we multiply with a 10.
Ma'am, when we multiply with it, then the decimal shift is one decimal after number, leaving a
Right hand side. Correct? Yes. So just do the question part by part. If you are multiplying 0.09 with a 100, the digit is shifting 2 digits on the right. That means you're getting 9. Yes or no? 2 zeros are out, the one which I highlighted earlier. Now you're left with 100. So you are expected to multiply a 9 with 100, which gives you a 900. Is that okay now? Say something, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, yes.
Another method is that you take this number and multiply it completely with 10,000. Assume there is no decimal. So you multiply 9 with 10,000. What will you get? 90,000. Now in 90,000, you remember assumption method that there were 2 digits after the decimal in your final answer. So 2 digits after the decimal in your final answer makes your answer 900.00, where these 2 zeros doesn't matter and the answer is 900. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, answer is 900 or 9.00.
900. Vedant.
Ma'am, we are playing the match. I bet
The
everybody
link
wants
is
to
in
play,
the chat box. Everyone should add their first name and come. I mean, add anything after your name that works. No problem in that. And join and see the instructions at the top. The instructions are written at the top. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, can I please not play and commentate?
Yes, but then I will not share the screen because that will lag my screen. Then how will you comment? You can join as a spectator maybe, but I don't. Okay, yeah, you can do one thing. You can join as a player. Don't shoot or play, but move around and see who is killing whom. That can be done.
Okay, but for that, nobody should kill me.
Ah, that's not possible. They will not read your name and kill you, Vedant. That's very difficult. You can respawn multiple times. What's the problem?
What, ma'am?
You can, if they kill you, no problem. You can respawn multiple times.
Okay,
What's the
ma'am.
issue?
Ma'am, but I'll commentate. I'll keep on unmute itself.
Yeah, stay unmuted. No problem.
And how do we play it?
And Anika, I told you join and read it at the top. See, answer questions, gain energy. It's written at the top.
Oh yeah. Now I
I'll
see
give you
it.
a small brief, everyone. So just give me 1 minute. Let me get you the decimals homework, your test. Don't leave without taking the test. And if you're leaving, then check the Olympiad Success website. So sorry, WhatsApp, so that you know where to get the homework from. There's a test of decimals you'll be doing.
Excuse me, ma'am. I can't find any questions on my screen.
Yeah, not right now. We'll start the game then. I'll share my screen. Give me 2 minutes.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, ma'am.
Decimals test.
Ma'am, just to tell you, my username is Vedant the commentator.
Okay,
I
thank
just
you.
kept my real name and my profession. That's
Guys,
all.
first copy this link or just remember that you will get this link on WhatsApp as well. Okay? Yeah, Devashri, say.
I'm not able to find the instructions on my screen.
Oh, don't worry. I'll share my screen and show you. Just a minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. Done. Okay, have a look, everyone here. Arnav, say.
Ma'am, everyone is moving.
Everyone is what?
moving like this.
Yeah, so what? Okay, everyone, look at the instructions now. Ma'am will say the instructions only once. So listen to me carefully. The instructions are written at the top here. So basically, this game is, you see the platforms here. How will you move? You can use the left arrow, right arrow key, or the AWSD keys on your keyboard if you are on a laptop. And if you are on a mobile phone or tablet, then you can use the screen touch option to navigate. Now, the up arrow is used to jump. If you click it 2 times, you can double jump. Okay. Now, the thing is that when we start the game, come to this side, they are saying answer questions. Okay. Answer questions means it will come somewhere over here at the bottom. You need to answer questions so that you have enough energy to move about. Otherwise, what will happen? They will say out of energy. So you have to get the energy also. For that, you have to answer question. Then you will have a pixelator in your hand. You have to shoot at anyone who you see around so that they can fall below the cliff like this. So I've not started the game, so I cannot fall. But if you shoot someone, they can fall down. Okay, if they fall down, you get a point. The one who has the maximum points wins the game. Now, in
Ma'am,
this
how do
process,
you shoot it? How do you shoot?
Wait a second, Nanika. What is this? I'm not teaching maths here. Wait. So over here, you see a 0% below you, right? So 0% is the percentage of damage you have right now. So 0 damage because we have not started the game. When someone starts shooting you, then you see the damage percentage increasing. Okay. Now, the more damage you are, with one shot, you will be thrown here and there. So better not to get damaged. And if you are getting damaged, then if you shoot someone, the damage percentage decreases if they fall. Okay. Now, Nanika, your question. See, I have not played it on a tab, so I don't know how to shoot it on a tab, but probably you'll have to click on the screen to shoot it, as far as I remember. Okay. Fine, everyone. Ready? Steady? Go.
Okay, now good luck, everybody.
Ma'am, how on a laptop?
How to?
Already Srihan solved
Click on
this
the laptop.
today. No,
How
I
to
see.
click on the laptop? Shoot on the laptop.
And
Just
lesson.
click. Just click on the screen. Enter probably. Or
Wait. And is moving Riyanshi Devika Parvat.
Ma'am.
Now what
Yes,
is
Janvi.
God doing?
Say,
Wait a
Janvi.
minute.
Ma'am, I cannot play because my network is quite low
And
and
I
it's
got
taking
out
too
again.
long to load.
Okay, okay.
Anyway,
Jia, take the
see
test link.
now. But who are you going to choose?
Let's see.
Yeah,
Someone else is also saying something. Say,
what is
Vedant, when someone else is speaking, right, just have a look. You can tell me if someone is saying something. I mean, any help needed.
Hanifa? Why are you shooting me? I am literally the
If you see
commentator.
Vedant, you can avoid him because he is the commentator. He's not playing with us. He's just looking at the match and commentating.
Wait, let me just answer some questions.
Yeah, say. By the way, yeah, when you're answering questions, no one can shoot you, but then that's not the point of doing it. That's just for your safety that no one can shoot you when you're answering questions.
Okay, now. Hey, Advika,
It's okay, Vedant.
why is now I'm going to shoot you?
Oh no.
Hanifa, what are you doing up there? And I eliminated Advika by accident. It passed. Why is everybody targeting me? When I'm the
Because you're
commentator?
sitting quiet. That's why you're supposed to play, start playing. Vedant, I told you. Okay, wait. Who is raising hand? Don't raise hand. Just directly say. Unmute and say.
Ma'am, how to shoot?
You're on a laptop.
Yes.
So they will ask you to, I think you can shoot with enter button probably.
Aditi Einstein.
Wait.
Ma'am, someone is there. Aditi Einstein.
So what?
I don't think it is.
Srihan.
Oh, Vivek King. Oh. Where are you, Vivek
Mute
King?
yourself. Aditi is our classmate
And I
only.
knocked out Srihan by accident.
Arnav, did you see
wait,
how to?
Mama, who's getting
Vedant,
shot by you?
Vedant.
No.
1 second, I'm talking to someone. Arnav,
Yes, ma'am.
did you get how to shoot?
No.
That's weird. What options are available on the screen?
Ma'am,
Wait.
ma'am, I can't.
So right now,
Wait, I'll tell you.
wait,
I'm
why is
checking.
Sanya at 460% damage?
Guys, anyone who's playing without a mouse and knows how to shoot on a laptop, can you tell us?
Ma'am, I know.
Say no.
Ma'am, just click with the place where
Oh,
you like.
touchpad. Yeah,
Devashri, you
click with
better
the
go out.
touchpad. Thank you. Click with the touchpad. Yeah, it's working. Enough. Click with the touchpad. Manvik, you're raising hand. Tell me what happened directly.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am, why did you knock me out?
Sorry, I did not read the name. Do you have a doubt? Manvik, your hand is raised.
Ma'am, we have to touch it?
Touchpad. Keep clicking on the touchpad. Yeah, the
Ma'am,
left
And I
pad.
knocked out Bhumik again.
How do
ma'am.
you left click? Just
Bhumik,
left click on the
how many
touchpad.
times will you get knocked out? Samruddhi, what?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, you will not be able to survive like this, Vedant. You start playing, it's better.
Ma'am, I'm kind of a player now.
And if anyone wants to say something, directly unmute and say, we are in a game. You don't have to raise your hand now.
Ma'am,
Do we have to like? Ma'am,
Yes,
do we
yes,
have to
Arnav.
get the more energy to win or like?
No. Knockouts to win. You need to pull people down. Yeah. If they fall because of you, if there are more knockouts,
Wait,
then
I
you.
knocked out Ibrahim.
Okay, ma'am.
And I knocked out Devashri. Wait, ma'am. If I'm the commentator, I can't even see what's going on because when
That's
I
okay.
stand
You
at
be the
that place, I can
commentator.
only see one part of the screen, not the whole thing.
That's okay.
So I can't commentate properly, exactly, ma'am.
I know.
Nice.
But
Ma'am,
that
I
will
don't
be.
And
think
I
he's a
fell by accident. I
commentator.
thought it was Riyansh, the purple guy.
What did
Ma'am, I
someone?
don't think he's a
Vedant,
commentator.
can you just stop a minute? I think Anirudh is asking something. Anirudh, can you say that
Okay,
again?
ma'am, sorry.
I can't hear you. Someone was saying something. No one is saying anything. Okay, last 4 seconds. Bye, Vedant. Did you really
Now,
fall?
how many knockouts did I do even?
Let's check.
Nice.
Oh my God. Okay. Good
Okay,
job,
so
everyone.
now,
Vedant, stop now. You're no longer a commentator. Now you guys have to raise hand to speak. So leave me. But then we have Shrihan 24. Very good. Vivek 19. Hanifa. Wow. Well played. Then Adya 13. Parth 13. Adrika 12. Eco Warrior. Wow. Vedant 9. That too in the last few minutes, Vedant. What if you would have started playing in the early phase? Okay. Nai. Who is Nai? I don't know. So I'll not count you. Samriddhi. Anirudh, Naman, Sadhna, Parth, Aditi, very good. Jia, Bhumek, Ibrahim. Bhumek, what happened? You are not a pro here. Manvik, very good. Samriddhi, Riyanshi. Okay, Riyansh, Devashri, Sanika, and Mishika. Okay, others have not got a chance. No problem. Riyanshi, say quickly, guys. I have a class. I have to rush.
Today I didn't got a chance to answer in the class.
See, Riyanshi, I asked that time. I was also
Ma'am.
fighting with Advika. Where were you sleeping? Huh?
Ma'am, before I could raise
Ma'am,
my
can I leave the class?
return.
Guys, if you want to leave, don't ask, just go. And don't interrupt
Bye,
in the
ma'am.
middle, please. 1 second, please.
Bye, ma'am.
1 second.
Your
Bye, ma'am.
class
The
was
class is
awesome.
amazing.
1 minute.
Homework.
One. Please wait.
ma'am.
I
Bye, ma'am.
cannot
The class
handle.
was amazing. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, homework.
The class was fantastic, outstanding.
Thank you. Are you guys
Ma'am,
done?
in next class, we will play this game also.
We'll see. You guys are done? Those who are going, please wait for 1 more minute. And if there is anything related to the game, you can unraise your hand. I'm not talking about that because we are already late. If you have a doubt related to the homework, like last time I heard Arnav saying something, go ahead. Arnav, homework is the test of decimals. You have to do the decimals test and come. Okay? Jia, say. 1 second. Say Jia.
Ma'am, the class was amazing. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Before I could ask. Thank you so much. And fine, 1 second, guys. I'll unmute you. That was the time when no one was stopping. So I had to mute you people. Okay, fine. Go ahead, Adrika.
Bye, ma'am. The class was
Bye.
great.
Class was great.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay,
Bye, ma'am.
Priyanshi,
Bye,
say.
ma'am. Thank you. The class was
Bye,
amazing.
ma'am. The
Thank
class.
you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
The class
Bye.
was
Bye,
amazing.
ma'am.
Thanks, Devashri. Thanks, Priyanshi. Thanks, Manasvi. Bye-bye. Bye, Bhumik. Bye, Anifa. Bye, Ibrahim. Take care.
Bye.